Hi, this is Vigneshwar, Application Engineer from EGS India, and in this video I am going to show a small tips and tricks in SOLIDWORKS Inspection. So what is SOLIDWORKS Inspection? It is used to create inspection documents for quality control and quality planning departments. First article inspection reports can be generated for inspection packages like AS9102, PPAP, APQP and more. You can also generate balloon drawings as an output file. So the tips and tricks I am going to show in this video is how to set a default instrument method for the dimensions, adding new instruments into a SOLIDWORKS inspection, creating separate instances for a multiple instance dimension, and also ungrouping instances as separate balloons. So now I get into the SOLIDWORKS inspection and open a new project. I'll show you the different file formats which are supported in SOLIDWORKS inspection. I'll just open this PDF. Now I get a fully detailed dimensioned PDF. It extracts dimensions with the OCR technology which is used in SOLIDWORKS inspection. As you can see, all the dimensions are captured properly. Now I select the method as vernier caliper. For the second dimension, even the values are captured exactly, and again I have to select the instrument method. Similarly, for the third dimension also I need to select a vernier caliper. So you can go to your options, characteristics, and you can see that I have the different dimensions. So you can set the default instrument for the dimension and you can apply. So the next time I balloon a dimension, for example I remove this balloon dimensions and I create a dimension again, create a balloon again, I get the instrument as a default value, as you can see here. Similarly, for the other dimensions, I get the instruments. So I've done this for just the length dimension. You can do this for other dimensions also. Now that one of my tips is over, I go to another tip where I have a radius dimension with two instances. I need to select the instrument method again. I go to the options, characteristics, I go to the radius dimension. I see that there are different instruments, but the instrument I am using in my company is a radius gauge which is not listed here. So I add a new radius gauge instrument in my methods and click apply. Now after applying, I am going to delete the balloon again and create a new balloon. So I extract the dimension. Oh sorry, I didn't specify the instrument method here. So I go to the characteristic again, I select the radius and select the default instrument as radius gauge which is listed now here. So I delete the balloon and again I'm going to extract the dimensions. So as you can see, now the method has been specified to radius gauge by default. Now I have two instances of the radius. So here you can see I can ungroup the instances. So as you can see in the table manager, I have two instances of a same dimension. Now I need to specify different instances. I need to get two balloons. So maybe for example here I need to get a 5 and 6 as balloon. So I can ungroup the instances and get the different balloons. You can also move the balloons to the desired location. So by default you can see that there is a leader line attached to the dimension. You can just remove the leader lines from the home tab. Now that all my work is done, I am going to export this as an Excel file. You can set different Excel report formats based on your company template and you can export it. After exporting the file, you can see that the Excel report is generated with the desired requirement, upper limit, lower limit, and the tools which are used for inspecting. Now if I enter the value in the results which is between the upper and lower limit, I'll get the green highlight, and if it is not matching my upper and lower limit, it will be specified in red. So now that I have done all my changes to the dimensions by specifying a default instrument method, I'm just saving this as an inspection project template. So give the specific name and you can save it. So the next time you open a project template, everything which you have stored previously will automatically be coming in slide as a default. So that's with the tips and tricks, and if you have any queries regarding SOLIDWORKS inspection, you can contact us. Also, you can use the QR code to directly open the EGS India website in your mobile. Thank you.